returning, observing, wondering what lays beneath the surface of these 59 million-year-old rocks that hold me. Staring out into the ocean that surrounds an even older rock, 1 billion years of life, death, regeneration, encoded within its structure. Though clear, the waters run thick with memory, the collective mind embedded into its body and washed away. A place to whisper to the ultimate keeper of secrets, to observe and to be observed by passive witnesses who exist in each shadow formation beneath the seaweed, in the creases and crevices of each stone, in each fold, microscopic life forms and creatures of the ocean sharing their presence with me as I peek into their world, reminded of the beauty in the detail, the hidden gems that lay under the vastness of the ocean, returning, returning.